In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit header navigation in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your header settings, adjust individual menu items, and reorder your links so visitors can find what they need quickly. First, make sure you're in your site preview within the Squarespace editor. Move your cursor over the top of your page until you see the header controls appear, then choose Edit Site Header. This opens the dedicated header panel, where everything related to your site's top navigation lives. Think of it as the control center for your logo, layout, and most importantly for today, your navigation links. Inside the header panel, click Navigation. This view shows the list of items that currently appear in your site's main menu. Each item represents a page, a folder, or a link, and what you see here is what your visitors see across the top of your site. If something looks out of place, this is exactly where you'll adjust it. To change a specific menu item, select it and click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the item settings so you can refine how it appears. You can update the label to make it clearer, point it to a different page or external URL, and tidy up anything that's confusing or too long. Clear, concise names work best. Aim for words your audience instantly understands. As you make edits, keep an eye on how the label will look in the limited space of your header, especially on smaller screens. When you're ready to refine the order of your links, simply drag and drop the items to rearrange them. Click and hold the item you want to move, then slide it up or down the list. The order you see here directly controls the order across your site's header. Place your most important pages, like Home, Services, or Contact, toward the beginning so they're easy to reach. Group related items together to create a logical path through your content. Clean, focused navigation helps visitors make decisions faster and reduces drop-off. As you work, watch your live preview to see changes update right away. On narrower screens, your header may switch to a compact or hamburger-style menu, but the same order you set here carries over. If a label wraps to 2 lines or feels crowded, consider shortening it for a cleaner look. That's it. Open Edit Site Header, go to Navigation, use the pencil icon to fine-tune each item, and drag and drop to set the perfect order. With just these quick adjustments, your header becomes clearer, more professional, and far more user-friendly.